The dumplings in your freezer were probably never touched by human hands. Flour goes in, filling goes in. The line rolls the wrapper, drops the filling, folds the edge, freezes it, weighs it, scans it, bags it, seals it, and sends it to cold storage. One public machine spec claims up to 10,000 dumplings an hour. That's not a sci-fi demo. That's a modern frozen food line. So let's count the steps where nobody touches the food. Step 1. The dough isn't rolled one wrapper at a time. It's pressed into a continuous sheet. Step 2. The filling isn't spooned in by hand. It's pumped in by weight. Step 3. The mold closes and dumplings move out in rows. After that, it's freezing, checkweighing, foreign object detection, bagging, sealing, and storage. To be clear, people are still there, loading ingredients and doing spot checks. Workers moved from folding dumplings to running the line. But if a machine does the folding, why can it cost a fraction of the handmade price? Start with speed. A publicly listed, integrated dumpling line can make up to 10,000 pieces an hour. That's about 167 folds a minute. For a handmade reference point, a 2017 factory report described one skilled worker making 4,000 dumplings in 10 hours. That's about 400 an hour. So the gap is roughly 25 times. When the rhythm goes up, the labor per dumpling, the waiting time, and the waste all go down. And the recipe is still the recipe. Automation changes who does the folding, not what goes inside. But machines have one enemy: soft things. Hard parts are easy. Grab a steel plate, lock the position, turn up the force. Dumplings are different. The wrapper can sag, the filling can shift, the edge can stick. Before freezing, it can tear. The hard part isn't picking it up. The hard part is picking it up and still having it look like a dumpling. That's why food lines use soft grippers, vision checks, weight checks, and reject lanes. They read the shape, tune the force, and kick out the bad ones. The impressive part isn't just speed. It's being gentle at industrial scale. So what's the next food nobody touches? The answer is already in the data. IFR's World Robotics 2025 report says the global food and beverage industry installed 20,792 industrial robots in 2024, up 42% from the year before. Food factories didn't suddenly fall in love with machines. Machines finally got better at handling things that are soft, wet, cold, sticky, and inconsistent. Next could be buns, wontons, noodles, or the staple food line behind your local central kitchen. The soul of this dumpling might be 167 folds a minute, with none of them torn. Cleaner or soulless? Pick a side in the comments, and follow IFR Robotics for more no-hype factory automation.